All right, let's talk about something that has been on a lot of people's minds lately: AI and automation in IT. If you are trying to break into a tech career or grow your IT career, you've probably heard a lot of people saying lately that AI is replacing jobs. And if you're looking to make a career change, that's something that might be scary to hear. But here's the thing: what if AI wasn't replacing IT jobs, but actually making IT pros more valuable? The IT landscape is changing fast. Companies are always looking for ways to improve efficiency, and AI powered automation is one of the biggest trends right now in tech. But instead of AI replacing IT jobs, what's actually happening is that IT roles are shifting. The tech industry is constantly evolving, and you have to constantly be learning to keep up with times. People who are utilizing AI as the tool that it is are going to be able to advance their career tenfold. Employers don't want people who can just fix computers anymore. They want IT pros who can automate workflows and optimize tech processes. This means that the most valuable IT professionals will be the ones who have understanding on how to work with AI instead of competing against it. And that's where AI tools like SysAid AI Agent Builder comes into play. Instead of IT teams drowning in ticket requests, let AI agents automate repetitive tasks so you can focus on the bigger projects that actually move the needle for your company. All right, let's break this down and talk about what actually does SysAid's AI Agent Builder do. Basically, it's a no-code automation platform that lets IT teams set up specialized AI agents, which are like purpose-built operators tailored to proactively think, act, and resolve routine service requests with contextual awareness. Here's some real-world ways that IT pros can actually use this. Onboarding new employees. Instead of manually entering users into Microsoft Entra ID, resetting passwords, and setting permissions, this AI agent can handle all that instantaneously. Let's talk about troubleshooting and system optimization. A user laptop is acting up. The AI agent builder can run diagnostics, clear caches, and optimize system settings before it even reaches an IT person. Now, if you're someone new to IT, this automation stuff might sound super technical, but the cool thing is that you don't need to know how to code to get this set up. This is the kind of tool that makes IT jobs less about putting out fires all day long and more about solving real business challenges. So why does this matter if you are just trying to break into IT? Well, imagine walking into a job interview and saying, not only do I know how to fix IT issues, but I also know how to set up automation workflows that make the team more efficient. Now, that is some next level career growth right there. Companies aren't just looking for IT support anymore. They want IT strategists. And knowing how to leverage AI powered automations can be what helps you stand out in a crowded job market. Even if you're just starting out in tech, learning about tools like SysAid's AI Agent Builder gives you an edge because you are already thinking about the future of IT instead of just reacting to problems. So again, huge thanks to SysAid for sponsoring this video. And if you want to see how AI can help you in your IT career, check out the link down in the description and try it out for yourself. Of course, drop a comment below and let me know how you feel about AI in IT. Do you think it's the future or are you still skeptical? Let's talk about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button for more career-focused tech content. Until next time, keep learning.